So here's our mud control slabs. So this track now has been down 2 years. You can see all the grass has come through, which is lovely, which helps with their footing. So I ordered some more this year, and there's, you can see what I put down this year, and you can see already what the track would have been like. So then we come up to, so this is the track that they use to go out into the rotational fields. And then when I move the track over from here, it will then go from that field over there to the next one. So these will become temporary. Can you hear the water underneath as I swelch? But they don't move anywhere. There's the water running down there, water running there, and here's my mud control slabs. So then I just will pick these up and move them over to that part of the field. And you can see there's water running down. Oh, I wouldn't be without my mud control slabs.